Want to reset the end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on your Messenger app? This can truly enhance your security by preventing unauthorized access to your encrypted chats and protecting your sensitive messages. I'll try to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Let's get into it. First, open Messenger app. Tap the three-line icon on the corner. Now tap the gear icon. Scroll down, tap on Privacy and Safety. In here, look for end-to-end encrypted chats. Open it. Tap Message Storage. You will see the option of Reset PIN over here. Tap on it. Now, you will be prompted to verify your identity through your account password or other verification method, such as fingerprints. Follow the instructions to enter a new PIN code for your encrypted chats. And that's basically it. You've learned how to reset your PIN code for the end-to-end encrypted chats of your Messenger app. Let me know if you need more details on this topic or if you encounter any issues. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until then, take care and goodbye.